Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do makeup on this pretty girl that I know for her senior picture. Look at her. Work it. Yes. So right now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and Ebony. She has really nice brows, so I'm just like filling in, the sparse or spruce areas. Now I'm going through with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Porcelain under her brows. Now I'm going over with a Maybelline Fit Me foundation and matte. I'm pretty sure it's shade 222 or 224. To have the eyeshadow really pop out, I'm using a really light concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. This whole eye look is gonna be based on the BH Ultimate Matte Palette, the 42 color shadow palette. As you can see, I'm adding really lightly and building up the color to my liking, because you don't want to start off really too much. I'm going in with a kind of like a second darker shade, and I'm going circular motion but also adding little products at a time. Same thing with this shade, the deepest shade. I'm just going in circular motion, nice and a little at a time, building up the color. So right now I'm going over with the Airspun translucent powder around her nose early, because I want to not have, the foundation move around, and because you have oily skin too. Now I'm going over with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Porcelain, just really lightly, trying to cut her crease, kind of like a cloud look, but it's still cut but softly with a really nice fluffy brush. See me going over with the deepest shade to blend out the crease, and then I'll be going with the second deepest shade to also blend in together nice and seamlessly. Now I'm just kind of setting the crease, but not really. I'm just using a nude shade color to look more natural and soft. Now I'm using a really fluffy brush to blend in all the colors together. So unfortunately, I forgot to film the part where I was applying foundation to her face. So the foundation I was using was the Maybelline Fit Me, probably in the shade 222 or 224 with a damp beauty blender. I used the Real Techniques beauty blender. Right now I'm just contouring her face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Almond. Now I'm just lightly contouring her nose, because after the nose contour I'm gonna set her contour with a powder. To conceal her face, I mixed the shade with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige and Porcelain to contour her face expression, oh my god, to contour her under eye and her forehead, nose, and around her mouth. her face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. As the powder is baking onto her face, I'm using the Absolute New York Strobing and Shading Palette to set her contour. When you're done baking your face, don't ever just wipe away. You have to like really tap into your skin so like the powder could actually really set in and, you know, stay in place. Oh my god, this part. She is not used to wearing makeup so much, so like she's not used to, you know, having products right under her eyes, so her eyes will be twitching a lot. So right now I'm just using like the first shade of color under her eyeshadow and then going in with the deepest shade and then blending it all together. So since this is a soft glam look, I'm not gonna add any highlight into her inner tear duct because that will be a little too much. So I'm just using a white eyeshadow into her tear duct. So I forgot to add this gel mascara after I finished doing her brows, but this is from the Essence and Lash Brow. So I don't know where she got her lashes from, but to apply them on, you will have to cut out the edges just a little bit, not too much, so it won't irritate your eye when applying it onto your lash. And what I do, I center it and then I adjust the ends to her lash line. Then right after this, I'm going with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara that I didn't add into the video, and also we added a white eyeliner under her eye to make it more pop out. To set her face, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then I'm going over with a beauty blender to make the setting spray sink into her skin. Now to add some highlight, I'm just lightly adding them on. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and I don't know what shade this is, I'm sorry. Now to line her lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Push Up in the shade Teddy. To fill in her lips, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lipstick and Yours to Try, and now I'm just like applying and like blending it around her lips. So I don't know where I got this lip gloss from, but you can use any lip gloss. Right now I'm just like using the gloss around her lips to make it look, you know, more shiny and more blended too. And this is the final look. Oh my god, look at her. Yes, work it. Okay, anyway, let's stop. But thank you for watching. Please, I hate to say this, but like and subscribe. Bye.